This is the National Weather Service in La Crosse with a winter weather briefing centered on the snow expected across the area Thursday morning. This briefing was recorded Wednesday morning, January 29th of 2014. Key points for the next couple of days. Temperatures will come out of the deep freeze today, and with the warming will come a change to westerly flow with a low pressure system and snow spreading across the area late tonight through Thursday morning into early Thursday afternoon. The hazards for Thursday will be the snow falling in a rather short 3 to 4 hour period with 2 to locally 4 inches of snow falling across much of the area. This snow will impact southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and much of western and central Wisconsin as the system passes on Thursday. This morning we still have wind chill advisories in effect across much of Minnesota, all of Wisconsin, and the northeastern corner of Iowa through 9 or 10 a.m. Temperatures this morning will rather quickly warm above zero, with the wind chills abating and climbing above the minus 20 mark by late morning. The Arctic air mass over the area that has been over the area for the last couple of days will spread off to the east or move off to the east through the day as the warm front out here in the western plains heads east and the wind flow across the central plains and into the upper Midwest switches to the south and southwest through the day. This flow will bring warmer air from the central plains into the region through the day. Once the warmer air arrives, a low pressure system from the western plains will approach and move across the area for Thursday, spreading mainly 2 to 3 inches up to locally 4 inches of snow across much of our area, centered on Thursday morning. The map on the left is the expected snowfall. However, this map, when some of the totals you see here, include about a ½ inch of snow that would be possible Friday night into early Saturday. So you can see the main axis of the snow that's expected on Thursday would fall mainly along the I-90 corridor across southern Minnesota into western Wisconsin, with lesser amounts in north-central Wisconsin and across the far south toward, say, Olwine, Iowa, and Grant County, Wisconsin. The main impacts: the snow will fall in a very short period of time with a rather intense burst of snow expected as it moves across. There may be a 2 to 3 hour period of snowfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour. Visibilities in this snow would be 1/2 mile or less as this snow drops across the area. The snow would initially start late tonight across southeastern Minnesota, then spread quickly east and south across northeast Iowa and western into southwest Wisconsin Thursday morning. Again, the heaviest snow would fall Thursday morning, mainly during the mid-morning hours. The impacts from the snow will be snow-covered roads for much of Thursday morning. Northwest winds will follow the system for Thursday afternoon, and these winds will be 15 to 25 miles an hour. These winds may not be enough to create a lot of blowing snow. However, they will be enough to create considerable blowing, or rather considerable drifting of the snow, especially in the open country areas. This drifting snow could pose a problem for roads in rural areas, as the ditches in a lot of areas are already full from the snow that was blown around with the blizzard conditions and strong winds of late Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. For further information and updates on the snow for Thursday, you can find it on our Winter Monitor page. The web address is at the top there at weather.gov/lacrosse/winter_monitor.php. You can also follow us and find additional information on Facebook at U.S. National Weather Service La Crosse, Wisconsin. You can follow us on Twitter at NWS La Crosse. And there are other videos similar to this on YouTube. And again, our main weather page is weather.gov/lacrosse.